Trader, SPX index daily chart. Please don't ignore it. We have a big, super big downside. I see it coming down to 52.50 on the SPX index. Yes, you got support there. You have support here, and you have support here, and then you have support right here. Okay? And let me explain to you what that trend line is. It's important to understand it. That trend line is a 150-day moving average. I see where the SPX index trades down to that 150-day, and that we make at least 17,000 on the SPX puts. Once again, I brought it to you. Don't walk away. If you walk away, you lose. If you walk away, you're not in the right trades. If you walk away, you don't get on pay now, later, buy now, pay later, buy now, pay later. You can, if you believe the S&P, then join the buy now, pay later program and go short the SPX. I'm telling you, it's going a lot lower.